Alam mo yung ano, babe, bakit di mo sinabi agad? Eh di mo naman tinanong. Yung, ayan na naman tayo. The great debate between transparency and privacy. At sa gitna, ikaw confused pero faithful. So, tanong ng bayan, required ba maging transparent sa lahat ng bagay sa partner mo? Well, depende kung transparency ba o total surveillance. Let's be honest, transparency is healthy. Pero kapag sumobra, nagiging ano na siya, CCTV relationship. Hindi mo kailangan i-share lahat ng detail ng buhay mo, as in lahat-lahat. Hindi mo kailangan i-report kung ilang subo ng rice ang kinain mo na. But transparency is about honesty, not oversharing. It's giving your partner enough clarity to feel secure without losing your personal space. Kasi kahit in love ka, you are still two separate individual, not one Facebook account. Pero syempre may limit din ang privacy. Kung privacy mo, yung hindi pag-amin na may kachat ka na iba, ay hindi yun privacy. Preparation for disaster yun. So, remember, transparency means you're not hiding anything that can break the trust. Privacy means you're keeping what's personal, not suspicious. The balance, be open enough to build trust, but private enough to protect your peace. Kasi kung lahat isi-share mo, baka mawalan ka rin ng identity. Pero kung lahat tinatago mo, baka mawalan ka ng partner. So, required ba maging transparent sa lahat ng bagay? Actually, hindi. Pero required maging totoo sa mga bagay na mahalaga. Kasi love builds on honesty lasts longer than love build on explanation. Tandaan ninyo yan. So, remember this. Transparency invites trust, but respect keeps it alive. Maging honest, pero huwag mo rin kalimutan, you're allowed to keep some things just for you. So again, remember, love built on honesty lasts longer than love built on explanation. Tandaan ninyo yan. Okay? Ciao!